In this episode, we'll dismantle an imported Forza 350 engine. Let's see the differences compared to the domestic version. Regarding the structure, it is definitely the same. However, the materials used are different. The Forza 350 uses a 2x3, 10-link, timing chain. As you can see, this imported Forza also utilizes a hydraulic chain tensioner, because a hydraulic tensioner can effectively extend the lifespan of the timing chain. Besides the hydraulic tensioner, the timing chain itself has also undergone some process reinforcement. Generally, for displacements above 250 cubic centimeters, 3x4 timing chains start to be used. A 3x4 timing chain with the same technology is definitely stronger than a 2x3 one. The reason Forza 350 chose this is likely to reduce the friction coefficient to achieve better fuel economy. That's why this 2x3 timing chain needs to be reinforced. Let's take a look at the cylinder head. It's the same as the domestic one, using roller rocker arms as well. The rocker arms are smooth, showing only normal signs of wear. It features a single camshaft structure. I think I've compared this camshaft for you before. There are slight differences in craftsmanship. Check out its camshaft bearings. The domestic Forza uses 8-ring bearings, but this type-produced one uses German FAG bearings. You should be able to see this clearly, right? FAG. Now, let's compare the camshafts. On the left is the imported Forza camshaft, and on the right is the domestic one. You can see the difference in craftsmanship. Including the area I'm pressing with my thumb, the surface roughness is different. In fact, there isn't a huge difference. After all, I haven't heard of any Forza 350 camshafts failing. It's just the hydraulic tensioner. For some reason, many owners report a clicking sound from the cylinder head. Let's look at the cylinder block. Like the domestic one, it uses a cast iron sleeve. Let me shine a light on it so you can see. There are very obvious signs of use. This scratch is quite deep. Now look at the piston. The piston skirt has a molybdenum coating. Look, the carbon buildup has reached the oil ring. The piston rings must be replaced. In this condition, the engine oil consumption is usually quite high. Nowadays, the price of the Forza 350 has dropped. It seems to be the market trend. After all, the parts for the domestic Forza 350 engine and body components now heavily rely on domestic production. I'm not saying domestic parts are bad, but using domestic parts definitely lowers the cost. Take the cylinder block as an example. If I told you the price of the domestic Forza 350 cylinder, you would never guess it could be that low. But that is the factory price. So, a price drop was inevitable. When I criticized the Forza 350 before, it was because I found out the factory cost of its parts. That's why I said the Forza 350 wasn't worth that much. But with the current price drop, it's more reasonable. Don't you agree? Let's look at the balance shaft bearings. The balance shaft uses Japanese NTN TMB series long life bearings. The crankshaft bearings show normal wear. They are copper-based bearings from Dado, Japan. There's no difference in the crankshaft. The domestic and imported crankshafts are identical. Because in the last Forza 350 I dismantled, this crankshaft sprocket was broken. This time, I'll inspect it carefully. This one is not broken, but the wear marks from the timing chain are obvious. You guys should be able to see it. The wear patterns are quite evident. Alright, let's look at the timing chain. The timing chain is from DID, Japan. The domestic one uses a reinforced chain from Xinghe. The lifespan of these two chains is about the same, because I haven't heard of timing chain issues on the Forza. The owner also wants to check the connecting rod bearings. Since it's here, he wants a full teardown. The owner said he usually rides quite hard. The upper connecting rod bearing shows very slight signs of copper exposure. The bearings are from Dado, Japan. You should be able to see it clearly like this. It counts as slight copper exposure. This bearing needs to be replaced. The lower piece is fine. The crankshaft also has no issues and can continue to be used. Okay, the balance shaft bearing on the other half case bearing. It is also from NTN. Overall, The difference between domestic and imported Forza lies in the parts suppliers. Honda Japan has performed some localization, increasing the ratio of domestic parts in the Chinese Forza, such as cylinders, piston rings, bearings, timing chains, etc. So here's the question. Do you guys prefer more imported parts or more domestic ones?